For this lesson, you need to open the World's Fastest Cars 2 from your Sample Files folder. I'm going to add a new car to the list shown on this worksheet, and it's a Ferrari. So I'll click in cell A15 and type an uppercase F into the cell. Notice that the whole word Ferrari now appears in this cell. This is called the Auto-Complete feature. Excel looks at all the values above cell A15 and notices that only one is spelt with an F. It therefore assumes that you may want to put the word Ferrari into this cell, so it completes it automatically for you. I'll now press the Tab key to move to cell B14, and the make of this car is a 599 GTB. I then press the Tab key again, and the top speed is 209 miles an hour, and I'll press the Tab key once more. Now, coincidentally, the Ferrari 599 GTB has exactly the same 0 to 60 time as the Mercedes SLR. That's 3.6 seconds. So instead of typing 3.6 into cell D15, it's possible to fill down the value from the cell above. To do that, it's Home on the ribbon and in the editing group Fill. And notice that as well as down, there's also a right, up and left option. But I'm going to select Fill Down, and when I click down, you'll see that the value 3.6 is filled down from the cell above. I'll press the Tab key again now and enter the horsepower, which is 620. Another Tab key and the price, which is $264,034, and the Tab key again. Now I'm going to use a different technique to select the country of origin. As it's a Ferrari, the country of origin is, of course, Italy. And I'm going to select Italy from a drop-down list. To do that, I right-click in cell G15 and select Pick from drop-down list from the shortcut menu. You can now see a list of all of the unique values in the cells above. By unique, I mean that even though Germany appears 3 times in the cells above, it only appears once in the drop-down list. This keeps the list compact. This feature is very useful when entering things such as country names or city names, because it eliminates spelling mistakes and it's a lot faster than typing in the name by hand. So I'll point to Italy and click once to enter Italy as the country. All that remains now is to save your work, and I'm going to save with the new name The World's Fastest Cars 3. And as usual, I'll save into the folder above my Sample Files folder. I click the Save button, and you've now completed Lesson 3.2. Use autocomplete and fill data from adjacent cells.